how to allow or block app permissions to access wallet on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, tap on Settings. Now from the Settings page, we then scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. Next, we scroll down and then tap on Wallet. Now in here, in my wallet screen, currently there are no apps requesting access to wallet. And it said that apps that have requested access to your financial account will appear here. So once there are apps listed in the list here, you can then go in and choose an app. And from there, you can choose to allow or block an app access to your wallet data. And that's it. So once you have turn on or turn off the permissions, you can then swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.